In this lesson, you'll learn a simple and clear explanation of some of the most common English prepositions, starting with one of the most important ones, at. We use at when we talk about a specific point in time. At helps us describe an exact moment. We also use at for an exact place or location. For example, I'm at school. He is at home. Meet me at 6. Wait at the gate. Look at me. She is at work. Come at noon. Sit at the desk. Stop at the door. Call me at 10. He is at the shop. Stay at home. The second preposition is on. On is used for surfaces, days, and dates. For example, the book is on the table. The key is on the desk. Meet me on Monday. Call me on the phone. Sit on the chair. The coat is on the bed. The light is on the ceiling. Walk on the street. Work on a project. It is on TV. Ride on the bus. Post it on Instagram. The third preposition is in. In is used for inside something, such as space, area, or time period. For example, I'm in the room. He is in bed. Sit in class. Come in here. Walk in the park. Work in peace. Live in Kabul. Speak in English. Wait in line. Play in the yard. Stay in touch. Sit in the car. The fourth preposition is by. By is used for the person who does something, method, or deadline. For example, stay by me. Sit by the window. Wait by the door. Stand by the car. Come by 6. Go by bus. Travel by train. Send it by email. Pay by card. Finish by Friday. Walk by the river. Stop by the shop. The fifth preposition is for. For is used for purpose, benefit, duration, or reason. For example, this gift is for Sarah. I bought it for you. She cooks for us. He works for them. This room is for guests. I saved money for school. She made tea for me. We left for Kabul. He paid for the ticket. I have a gift for you. They care for animals. She prepared food for dinner. The sixth preposition is of. Of is used to show possession, relationship, or part. For example, a bottle of milk, a bowl of soup, a piece of paper, a pair of shoes, a box of toys, a plate of food, a bottle of juice, a group of students, a bunch of flowers, a slice of bread, a cup of coffee, a bag of sugar.